Kotoko from penny for way and your ultimatum, but 3 games has been given to Coach Abdulkarim Zito. Say side games no 110 around things are the number chire bano enye omonga so mbesa ke omonga so mbe dissolve technical team no the mum no the number chire bano enye de enra we ka say Kotoko IMC no and the technical team no ekohia enye Karim Zito nko but the whole technical team na 1 2 3 4 nyoma miensa epie mu no na me dey ebro after that no almost I take a decision bi omo be say another serious meeting ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko inconsistent performance ekoso ewo club yi mo ya asemu me pato subscribe ma me na me fa details no emre osisia because situation no sese no sampanyfo anya ne sa ano be ye hyepa wan ha be wosen Kotoko ain't been winning games into us 4 now we are Kotoko timi bono modern share fast track there be Kwamu Future Stars. It was MTN FA Cup and now unya a victory in Dreams FC game no and unya win me no to us but now afi intimi emma sharp but before who said the decision should be reached and I say they should agree on something say I was say I didn't say near common in the next 3 games there was ultimatum BBC sanyo manyoma ni nyina no mpanyifo factor or the coach no enye coach no nkoma menka coach no zen on the technical team na no enti sa wo kan wan kiremi wan ha obe single out coach but a technical team Prince e kan home yes coach Prince kan home ena Hamza Obey kan home ena the main man which is Abdulkarim Zito also also e kan home na free outcome of the meeting no ewa ha de dimutitiri 3 games ultimatum Kotoko next games no Go Stars baby any Go Stars obeka I say omo any ebo mo second inti 10 any ebesa bo mo baby any Go Stars na Kotoko abo Basake Holy Stars we are near called Lions. This is Kotoko 3 games I was say ultimate turning around the situation if not asem ato Kotoko technical team no yes and only information mensa eka enne anopa wie ya no abeka say ka say emergency meeting abaso emergency meeting abaso e ho outcome no they will say the but join the reaction 0247 107260 join the Kotoko reaction 0247 107260 na memfa won to so afi ye je sponsorship enti sa opese obaso na obe sponsor this particular program am so my number na 0247 107260 0247 107260 na fi bra on board na ye nton wadwade ho nyoma no ye nton ma sa woni bibia kra sa opese oton na wo no wo ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko fan dwuma ye die so woni na opese oboaya. It is in the form of sponsorship we bit ma sponsor and we will be very much grateful for your kindness. Now here are the 3 outcomes at EPM or Kotoko IMC meeting. I'm told they said the IMC meeting course number 1 the IMC but after the meeting mpanyifo ene Kotoko playing body no so be meeting says the omoshia technical team no enti omuni playing body no ebe separate meeting ana eno no de wo na meeting no nyoma miensa epiem no ana mede ebro Kotoko IMC no ene Kotoko technical team no both camps ni nyina no e wo gidie say league no it is not out of reach for Kumasi Asante Kotoko omumienu agree say yebetimi age league no enslepe out of our hands obeka say Kotoko koda first at a point in time na ade ba akọ significant PM to no management no IMC no any technical team ni nyina gi to mu say it is still within reach to say the enra na Eric Anoche discuss e wo fie ha no na number 2 the IMC express displeasure over the recent inconsistent results ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko and also number 2 ade mienu a IMC no esi so pan the fact say almost say the inconsistency in Kumasi Asante Kotoko results no too much ade bechi mache ball ne ye kakra next time you ko ball no nya kra sa inconsistent in results no IMC no ese omani nje ho baako sei omo ka kire coach no ede ne technical team no na meeting na nye coach no nko a na eye technical team no Prince ka ho Hamza Oben ka ho ene other guys are omo ya around ya but omo miensa titiri ene ye ne omuhia IMC no ene omuhia IMC no so na eye mopemu na ankasa na Pinkra ena Kwasi Apia Christopher Demenya omo nso ene nehia ex officio safu jamfin so no ka ho but ono ex officio omo nso na represent IMC no omo express say the inconsistent results no omo distasteful about it. Yes, omo express prima technical team they say omo nya happy about that. And then the final outcome of the meeting no omo say tembia asemba we identify the problem. Brony say if you are able to identify 50% of the problem, or if you identify the problem, you've solved 50% of the problem. So what me who problem na? Problem no 50% no wa solve it. Inti se say ye who say problem ni no. De ye can say ye nka say we a ultimatum. But on next 3 games no, I was say we turning around your man. So on next 3 games no, also turning around your man. The technical team and Zito nko or say technical team no mo in the next 3 games no yen kan kire mo say ye be dissolve technical team no nemom no also mo turning your man yasema no but asem we ya say oba nyansani ebe no ho obi nkai me asem wo ho aye ka kire wa utumi say ultimatum but yen kan direct indirectly ultimatum when you catch us on next 3 games ni turn around things no na chese e na osaka say men kan che o say when we ni anase we nya bad results ye be dissolve it technical team ni nemum no you have to turn around with these 3 things and o ka kire the technical team enye Zito nko yes it's eno ne the outcome epie Kotoko meeting a omo ne the technical team no ekoye I'm told say enedua me no ka say no Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC no ebehia players no yes and also menya ne ntie say players no yenhia omunyina mmom ebeye 1v1 you can say 1v1 IMC no freeway a no abetena ho ne ebusa de ekoso ne a freeway okọ ne a freeway no okọ ne a freeway yenkuhia players ni nyina no ene omunkoye meeting but meeting no be 1v1 and only information are Super 24 TV mensaka and also the be pia free ma ba bia no aha nti ase efie e di bia bebreo